world's oldest sundial found from Egypt's Valley of the King, 1500 BC, used to measure work hours. Historical Greek sundial from Afghanistan. Chinese sundial of the Eastern Han Dynasty, 2nd century. Number 4. Sundial stone Kilmarkedar, Iran, 7th century. The giant sundial of Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, India stands 27 meters tall. Its shadow moves visibly at 1 millimeter per second. Here I have write these all numbers. Now we will keep it in sunlight. Hi friends, today we are going to make this sundial, and for that we need materials. We need a paper plate, one sketch pen, clay and a pencil. This is one new pencil, and we need a scale also. So now let's start. See, here I have write these all numbers. Now let us write 1, 2, 3 and then. I have written all these numbers. Can you see all? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now
Teacher side पर.
we will stick this blunt pencil like this. See, some will come out. Okay. Now it is not sticking. Then we will take clay. See, here is the clay. Now we will press it some. It's flat. Yes, it's flat. Now we will stick it here inside the plate. Press it, stick it. Okay. See, I have stick this clay here. Now we will take this pencil and then we will stick it. Okay. So pencil is sticked. Now we will stick it some. This much clay we have to take out. See, it is straight. Yes. Now we will do some slanting. Now it is slanting. See. Okay. It is slanting. Now this much clay we will stick in. Okay, it is slanting. Now we will keep it in sunlight. See, the time shows that it is 2 o'clock. See? Can you see it, everyone? See, it is 2 o'clock here also and 2 o'clock here also. See this here. The shadow is coming on 2 number. Okay, thank you my friends for making this beautiful sundial. If you want to make this sundial, then subscribe this video, like and share, and bye bye.
Who is this monkey?
Subscribe.
Something about this monkey.
Bye bye.
Who was
He
in
is my monkey brother. His name is Gnomon.
Okay. You monkey, you want to smile or you want to say something?
चलो आओ बताओ।
Eh?